May I remind everyone of our virtual training etiquette. Be on time. Set up early so that you're good and ready when the training or program starts. Let's make the most out of our learning sessions. Get to your workspace a few minutes before and make sure your internet connection and device are working. Be prepared. Have everything you need within reach. Make sure you have all the required materials with you before the program starts. Prepare anything else you may need so you can easily follow. Wear appropriate clothes. Make sure you look presentable for the training or program. Be respectful. Respect the speaker and co-participants. Listen attentively to the speaker. You may use the raise hand button when you want to speak and wait to be called before unmuting your microphone. Listen attentively when someone else is speaking. Keep your microphones muted. Reduce background noise and distractions. Microphones can pick up background sounds that may not bother you but may bother the speaker and other participants. Be responsible in the chat box. Use the chat box for training-related matters only. Be fully present. Pay attention and participate actively. Don't play games on your phone, check your social media, or watch videos. Focus. And remove distractions. Treat online training time as real training time. Find a quiet space for the training. Turn off the TV or any music in the background. Keep mobile phones on silent. Thank you and have a meaningful learning session.